IIT. If you think all IT jobs required coding, think again. By 2025, more than 80% of the IT job will be non-coding roles. That's right, you can build a thriving career in tech without ever writing a single line of code. So, if you are interested in working in IT but coding isn't your thing, this video is just for you. Today, I'm sharing top 10 non-coding IT jobs in India that are booming in 2025. Let's dive in. Number 1. Project Manager, the team leader. First up, we have a project manager. They are backbone of IT projects, making sure everything runs on time, within budget and smoothly from start to finish. They coordinate teams, set deadlines and ensures goals are met. Number 2, Business Analyst, the problem solver. Next, we have Business Analyst, the bridge between business goals and technology solutions. They analyze data, identify problems, and recommend solutions to help companies make smart, data-driven decisions. At number 3, we have UI UX designer, the digital experience creator. Ever noticed how some website and app just feel great to you? That's because of UI UX designer. They design user-friendly, visually appealing interfaces that enhance the customer experience. At number 4, we have IT consultant, the tech advisor. These professionals advise businesses on how to use technology effectively to achieve their goals. Whether it's optimizing processes, choosing the right software, or improving security, they provide expert guidance. At number 5, we have cybersecurity analyst, the digital guardians. In today's world of cyber threats, company needs cybersecurity analysts more than ever. Their jobs include protecting systems, networks, and sensitive data from cyber attacks. With cybercrime on the rise, this is one of the most in-demand jobs right now. At number 6, we have data analyst, the insights expert. They take raw data, clean it, analyze it, and turn it into valuable insights that help businesses make better decisions. If you love working with numbers, trends, and storytelling, this is a great option. At number 7, we have digital marketing specialists, the brand builders and the people who helps brands stand out online. They craft marketing strategies, manage social media, run online ads, and analyze performance to grow businesses in the digital world. At number 8, we have cloud solutions architect, the cloud expert. Cloud computing is the future and the cloud solutions architect are the ones designing it. They help companies move to the cloud, ensuring systems are efficient, scalable, and secure. If you want a high-paying, non-coding tech job, this is it. At number 9, we have Salesforce administrators, the CRM expert. They manage customer relationship management or CRM systems, ensuring companies can track sales, customer interactions, and business performance seamlessly. Finally, at number 10, technical writer, the explainer. These professionals simplify complex technical information and create easy to understand guides, manuals, and documentation for tech products. And there you have it, 10 high-paying non-coding IT jobs in India. So, if you've been worried that tech is only for coders, now you know there are plenty of amazing career options that don't require coding. Which jobs excite you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for the more career insight. See you in the next video.